My name's Rowland. We're going to trim this goat using the Hoof Boss. It's a 8-bladed blade. We'll start on the front feet, start with our front left foot, and work our way around to the back. And start by taking it off on the inside, getting the pad took off. It's already got her back down to where she's almost flat. And the motion with the blade is backward or forward. If you'll just be easy with it. With the shears up on the bulb of the foot, where you try to get that level, get a mushroom effect. You'll take it and just pull it straight down. Looking at the white lines in the foot. There you go. You can take level the bulb on out. It's pretty well roughed in, but you can see, you can take a little more off this inside claw. Next time it wouldn't be quite as bad, and it certainly doesn't take near as long. But for a goat not to have been trimmed in a year, we've got her down pretty flat and about as close as I'd like to carry her right now. And I'd give her a little while, come back in there and re-trim her.
Always make sure you are wearing proper eye protection, heavy-duty gloves, long-legged pants or chaps, and a dust mask if necessary during the operation. Never turn the tool on when the disc is in direct contact with the hoof. Before trimming with the Hoof Boss, make sure the animal and the hoof are secure and free of any dirt and debris. For best safety practices, we recommend fully restraining the animal and the hoof by using a stand, flip, or squeeze chute, and tying down the leg to prevent movement while trimming. The chain disc can be used to trim large herds, flocks, or groups, as well as fix abnormal hooves and diseases. When trimming with the 8-tooth chain disc, hold the chain at a slight angle to the hoof and smoothly glide the tool back and forth from heel to toe. Move the tool in a straight path on the edge of the hoof and in a more rounded path when you get to the toe and the edge of the hoof. Do not chop and do not force the disc. You should always position the chain disc at a slight angle to the hoof. If you hold the disc at a flatter angle to the hoof, the tool will be less aggressive and will remove smaller amounts of the hoof. The lighter you trim, the more control you have over the tool. The Hoof Boss can be used to fix ulcers and abscesses. The best way to learn how to use the Hoof Boss for fixing laminitis problems is to practice different techniques as you encounter different problems. It will not take long before you are comfortable using the Hoof Boss to perform all kinds of hoof care tasks. Always use caution when fixing laminitis or hoof disease problems by seeking the experience of a veterinarian or professional hoof trimmer before attempting on your own. Remember, the desired result is to have the hoof properly protect, support, and balance the animal. Pay close attention to the sole height, as it should be equal to the hoof wall. Lay the hoof flat on an even surface, being sure to look at it from the side. Ensure that the heel and the toe are level and the animal's weight is evenly dispersed across the hoof. For extremely overgrown hooves, you may want to start by trimming small portions of the hoof and come back 2 to 3 weeks to trim more. This will slowly set the hoof back to its proper angle while not making too aggressive of a cut at one time.